Every time I'm developing a project, I try to really catch the spirit of the site. I think it's beautiful because I'm trying to create a poetical shelter. It's a very dynamic area, buses, taxis, cars. It's probably one of the most alive areas I've never seen in my life. Everything is so concentrated. My piece is pretty small. It's just in the human scale. It's not in the scale of the building. It's in the scale of people using the building and the square. That for me is key. That piece will be one construction more in this incredible architectural site, but with the shape of a human body. And that, I think, would be the power of that piece. Every time that you are creating a piece, you are creating a dialogue with a potential viewer. It's like a bottle with a message. You are dropping all those ideas to the wall, and who knows who will be in front one day. I call it we because I've been using alphabets from different cultures, 8 different alphabets. I've been using Hebrew, Arabic, Chinese, Japanese, Greek, Cyrillic, Hindi, and Latin. All my team has been bending all the letters around the model, and then other people has been working with the welding areas. And then the welding areas has been checked because in the public space you need to be very sure that everything is structurally perfect. The work of one sculptor is to collaborate with others. And I have a fantastic team, honestly, in where I have architects and metal technicians, all kind of people that since years and years collaborating. We are like as one. Every idea is born with the material. When you try to imagine a piece, a concept, normally the idea is born already with a size and a material. I've been working with the stainless steel, and I like it to leave the piece with a human touch. I mean, to leave with people to see a little bit the process of fabrication in some ways. The simple presence of the alphabet, I think, is a very strong message. That's the message, the presence of the text. A group of letters alone means nothing. A, B, C, D, E, what it means. But they are like cells that in collaboration with others, they could do a text. I think that it's a beautiful metaphor about community, about society. You can really occupy the emptiness inside. And when you will be inside, you will be the soul of that figure. And I think it's very beautiful. that this sparkling light a little bit around in the way that we did the finishing. For the colors of London, the weather, the dark days or the sunny days, it will work in both ways. I always consider that when a sculpture is finished, you must let the piece a little bit to rest. The process of that piece is not finished yet. We are still working.